Class 12, today I am going to start chapter 3, binary operations. Come to the first page of this chapter and you can see definition of binary operation. It is written in my book, it is page number 48. You can come to your book and you can see it is written, let S be a non-empty set. A binary operation, also called binary composition, is a function from S cross S into S, that is, it is a function f S cross S to S. Thus, a binary operation assign a definite element of S to each ordered pair A, B belongs to X cross S. From the definition, it is evident that a binary operation is a rule of correspondence which assign to each ordered pairs A, B belongs to S into S, a definite element of S. The symbols star, plus, cross, circle, dot, etc. are used to denote a binary operation. Therefore, a binary operation star or a non-empty set S is a rule which associates with each ordered pair A, B belongs to S into S to a definite element A into A star B belongs to S. So you don't need to learn all such things, only you have to know that binary operation is an operation which can be done in subtraction, addition, multiplication, division, and it is denoted by plus sign, sometimes also circle, sometimes star. Okay, only you have to know this much. This one is sufficient to understand what is binary operation. And when I will do the chapters, I will tell you all the properties, then you will understand it properly. Understood? Now, today I am starting exercise 3 of binary operation, very short type question. Question number, come to very short type question number 7. So in question number 7, it is written, let circle be an operation defined on R. Let circle be an operation defined on R. Circle is an operation, binary operation, okay, and it is defined on R means it is defined on real number. Capital R means real number, okay, the set of real numbers. By A circle B equals to mean A, B for all A, B belongs to R. And what is the operation? A circle B equals to mean A, B for all A, B belongs to R. Means A will be real and B will be real. You know that all numbers are real numbers. Show that circle is a binary operation on R. You have to show that circle, that sign circle is a binary operation on R. Okay. Now how you will show? It's very simple and easy, class 12. If you will understand this concept only, that what you will do, it is given A circle B equals to mean A, B. So we have to show that A and B belongs to R and circle is a binary operation on R, means on real number. Okay, so what you will write? See, mean means either A will be mean or B will be mean. Mean means minimum. Either A is smaller or B is smaller. If A is smaller, so in place of mean, what you will write? A. If B is smaller, in place of mean, what you will write? B. Now, if you are writing mean as A, it means B is greater than A. If B is greater than A, means B is bigger than A, and if in place of mean you are writing B, it means A is greater than B. Therefore, A, B belongs to R. See, whether A is mean or B is mean, it does not matter at all because we have no limit for A. A can be real and B can be real also. Both are real numbers only. So only you have to understand how to write this one. You will write A circle B equals to mean A, B. Now in place of mean you will write A. At that time B is greater than A. And in place of mean, if you are writing B, at that time A is greater than B. So you will write therefore A, B belongs to R. Both are belongs to real number only. So circle is a binary operation on R. It's very simple and easy thing. Okay. Now come to question number 9. It is written, let A equals to 3x plus root 5 x, y belongs to z. Z means integers. Okay, Z denote integers. R means real number, Z means integers. Show that an operation star on A defined by 3x1 plus root 5y star 3x2 plus root 52 equals to 3x1 plus 3x2 plus root 5 y1 plus y2. For all x1, x2, y1, y2 belongs to z is a binary operation on A. We have to show that star sign is a binary operation on A, and A is given 3x plus root y 5y. Okay, and one operation is given 3x1 plus root 5y 1 star 3x2 plus root 5 y2 equals to 3x1 plus x2 plus root 5 y1 plus y2. Now how you will show this one? See, if x1 and x2 belongs to z, z is a integer, any integer. If x1 is also integer and x2 is also integer, when you will add these two, you will again get same integer. Suppose that I am taking x1 1 and x2 3. So 1 plus 3 will give you 4, and 4 is also an integer. So that is the thing I have written here, that if x1 comma x2 belongs to z, means both are belonging to integer. Z means integer. Therefore, x1 plus x2 also belongs to z. Okay. Again, y1 comma y2 belongs to z. Now, y1 and y2 both are belonging to z only. Therefore, y1 plus y2 belongs to z. Means if you are taking y minus 1 and 3, y2 3. So, minus 1 plus 3 will give you 2 only. And 2 is also an integer. So what you will write? If again y1 comma y2 belongs to z, therefore y1 plus y2 belongs to z. When you will add two integer, you will get integer only. You have done in class 9. If you remember, you have done all this in class 9. Therefore, 3x1 plus x2 plus root 5 y1 plus y2 belongs to A. A is what? A is given 3x plus root 5y. So if in place of x you can write x1 plus x2, because x1 and x2 is nothing but x only, and root 5 in place of y you can write y1 plus y2. So if x1 plus x2 belongs to z and y1 plus y2 belongs to z, it means that if you multiply x1 plus x2 to 3, you will again get one integer, and if you will multiply y1 plus y2 with root 5, again you will get one integer. So this full is belonging to A. Why? Because in A it is written A equals to 3x plus root 5y. Okay. Therefore, star is a binary operation on A. Understood? Now come to question number 11. It is written, prove that the operation circle on Q, the set of rational numbers defined by A circle B equals to AB plus 1 is a binary operation on Q. You have to prove that A circle B equals to AB plus 1, and here the circle is binary operation on Q, and Q is nothing but rational number. Set of rational number, it is written already in the question. Now set of rational number means that what is rational number? Rational number is a number which can be written in the form of P by Q. So I am taking let A equals to B 2 and B equals to 3, and 2 and 3 both belongs to Q. Both are rational numbers, so both are belonging to Q. I have written already. Now it is given A circle B equals to AB plus 1. So in place of A I am writing 2, then I am giving circle, then in place of B I am writing 3 equals to AB. AB means 2 into 3 plus 1. 2 into 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 is also belonging to Q, because 7 is also a rational number. So what you will write? Therefore, circle is a binary operation on Q. This one will be on Q. Okay, you have to do nothing. You will let only one number you will put here, and you will see if you are getting same rational number or integers or natural number, then you will write circle is a binary operation. Okay, completed. Now class 12, come to question number 1, 3, 13 and read the question first. it is given in the question that an operation star is defined on the set of real numbers R by A star B equals to AB plus 5 for all A comma B belongs to R. Is star is a binary operation on R. We have to prove this one. So again, what you will do, you will take let A equals to 2 and B equals to 3, and 2 and 3 both are real numbers, so you will write 2 comma 3 belongs to R. So A into B equals to AB plus 5 is given to you. So in place of A you will write 2, in place of B you will write 3. Again in place of A you will write 2, in place of B you will write 3 plus 5. 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 5 11, and 11 is also belongs to R, means real number. So what you will write here, therefore star is a binary operation on R. Okay. Now come to question number 18. It is given, examine whether the operation circle on Z plus means positive integer. Whenever you have plus sign with Z, it means positive integer. Defined by A circle B equals to mod of A minus B for all A B belongs to positive integer. Means it will not be negative. -1, -2, -3 will not be your answer. Only it will come positive. If it is coming positive, then you will say that star is circle is a binary operation on Z plus. Okay. If it will not come, you will write no. Now in question number, let A equals to 2, B equals to 3. It will be equals to. Okay. So A equals to 2, B equals to 3, A comma B belongs to Z plus, because it is written that A B belongs to Z only. Okay. Z plus only. Now in place of A you will write 2, in place of B you will write 3. Again mod you will give, in place of A you will write 2, in place of B you will write 3. 3 minus 2 you will get -1, but since you have mod, whenever you have mod, minus sign will remove, because it is the work of the mod to remove minus sign. So when it will remove it, 2 circle 3 will come 1, which is belonging to Z plus. Means whatever value you will take for Z, if it is coming in minus, this mod will remove that minus sign and your answer will become in positive. It means that circle is a binary operation on Z plus. Understood? Now come to question number 21. Prove that the operation circle on Q defined by x circle y equals to x plus 2 by y minus 2 for all x comma y belongs to Q does not represent a binary operation on Q. Now we have to prove that it is not representing binary operation on Q. Up to the last question we have done, in all question it is representing that it is binary operation on Q, sometimes R, sometimes Z plus also. Now in this one you have to prove it is not representing. Now what you will do, you will take one value of y so that it will not belongs to Q. Now which value you will take? Question is x circle y equals to x plus 2 by y minus 2. Now class 12, if you will take y value 2, so what will happen? 2 minus 2, it will be 0, and you know that 1 plus 0 or something, 1 plus something plus 0, if you have 0 in denominator, then it will be undefined. Yes or no? It is not possible to define this one, so you will write undefined here. No need to write this one. I am just telling you why I am telling that it is not a binary operation on Q. So for this reason I am taking let y equals to 2. When I am taking y equals to 2 and 2 belongs to Q only, rational number, you can write 2 belongs to Q, because Q it is given in the question and Q is nothing but a rational number. So in place of 2 you will put y, in place of y you will put 2, again in place of y you will put 2. 2 minus 2 it will become 0, and something by 0 will not belongs to. Here you will write not belongs to Q. If it is not belonging to Q, what you will write? Because something by 0 will undefined, and undefined will not come into rational number. Okay, so what you will write? Therefore 0 is not a binary operation on Q. Why? Because when you are taking y value 2, it is undefined and it is not belonging to rational number. So your answer will be circle is not a binary operation on cube. Class 12, your homework is question number, very short answer type question number 16, which is same as example 8, question number 19, which is same as example 7, question number 20, and question number 15, which is same as example 12. Okay, if you have any queries, you can mail in the given email ID and by tomorrow submit your homework. If you want to give feedback on videos and PPT, you can give in this email ID feedback.stmichaelsacademy@gmail.com. Okay, thank you.